I don't know if you can hear the music in my background, but it's shot right now. Make me feel like me dad Jamaica. Wagwan subbies! Big up on the damn self. You guys are tuning in to the middle of this vlog. Not really. We're gonna show you what happened in the start of this vlog. As you can tell, we went to Yellow Market.
Yellow Green.
Yellow Green Market. Lelo Green Market.
Yellow Green.
We'll go on Food Market, Farmers Market, Food Market.
But we went early this morning, so we didn't have an intro.
Yeah, so we wanted to catch it and yeah, beat the traffic and all that stuff. But it was really packed and crowded.
Guys, it's hot.
Yeah, and it was beaming hot.
Chase had to take off all his clothes because it was too hot for him.
Yeah, alright, we're gonna take you and show you guys the clips right now. Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Alright, boom. We are here at the Farmers Market. As you can see, the sign says Farmers Market that way. Drew's here. Chasey's here.
Get some sun lotion.
Gotta put some lotion on Chasey because it's kind of hotty.
Just on his feet. I did his face already.
Chasing me belly growling.
One thing I can tell you guys, when you come down here, you're going to do a whole heap of walking. So you can eat any amount of food that you want to eat. As you can see, we're out here.
I endorse that message.
And it's very hot, but nice and shady right here. Out here trying to get coffee. Trying to get coffee. Trying to get coffee. Found the coffee. Found the coffee. We found coffee. Where you got yours? Right here? Okay. This is milk break right now, guys. As you can see, Chase is hungry. And we're feeding Chase. And we're still hungry. Chase has to eat first before us, guys. In life, you have to give up everything for your son. Yeah. Sometimes you go starving for 24 hours.
I know, we're starving.
Yeah, we're starving. Like, I can feel my insects eating me out right now.
Insects are eating your organs.
We're out here at a Thai section here right now, Thai restaurant. And yeah, we're ready for some eggs. Daniel's sweating.
It's hot.
Chase is having fun, playing around.
Okay guys, we just got food. Ready to eat?
Yeah.
This is a Miami Dolphins player.
Nope, nope.
Look, he's making our coffee for us.
That is a true general.
Yo, talented. He's talented.
Yeah.
Right? His age.
Yeah. You making our coffee? He's an expert.
We found gun.
Yo, we're there.
Yeah. Kaylin is here.
Kaylin, so what's up? Why you?
Cristiano!
Not shy.
Oh, me tell your name. Let me see your teeth. Him teeth gone, people. Him teeth gone.
Nice.
And we have Alyssa here. Don't know. Big up on herself.
That's my coconut.
Sweet to the belly. Squeeze up your breast like jelly. Oh, jelly.
Oh my god. Offbeat. Offbeat.
What?
That's mine. Stop drinking it all.
Chase out here having coconut water, guys. And I think he's loving it. Yo, nice. It nice. You want more? It nice. Yeah, we're here. We're about to get a drink right now. Thirsty, as in like an alcohol beverage. That's what we're gonna do right now, guys. Yeah, I don't know which one has the better liquor here, but we're gonna find out right now. We got gone out here skanking to reggae music. Look. You see, you can't take Jamaicans go nowhere, you know. You can't take them go away, you know. Watch out. Everybody watch you. Mojito time. Mojito time. It tastes good and you know sour like lime. It's sour.
It's sour but it's good.
Try it, go on, try it.
I'm big on the lime and I'm big on.
Watch out, watch out. Hey, liquor make people turn fool, you know. Out here right now, guys. About to try this drink. Magnificent. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can hear the music in our background, but it's shot right now. Make me feel like me at Jamaica. Go on. You feel like you're at Jamaica, don't you?
Music up there in the background. Breeze blowing. Trees flowing. Oh Lord.
And we drinking. Look at this right here, guys. This look beautiful. Drink it, Drew. Let me see what I go on.
Yo, try this on.
But after 2 drinks, he is gone. People, we have lost Gavindale Gunter. He has left the building, aka Gunners. He's left the building. He's gone.
Okay guys, so we just left. It's really hot outside and Chase is knocked out. He was tired the whole time, but he never wanted to miss anything, so now he's out. We're gonna get some dinner at Chad's mommy's house and then we're gonna head home, so see you soon.
As you can see, we came back home here, guys. Mommy is actually not cooking yet, so we actually said, you know, let's come back here and wait for it to be done.
Chase knocked out and I had to bathe him, he doo-dooed, everything.
Everybody in here is sticky right now. We bathed this morning and we have to go bathe again. Yeah, I mean, we do bathe twice a day, not me, not Daniel either, but I mean, we try to bathe twice a day.
If it's a hot day.
If it's a hot day like today, yeah, we do bathe twice a day. But yeah, what I want you guys to do, if you comment down below, because I know a lot of you guys are complaining and say, hey, we don't get a shout out, but we put what you guys said.
Yeah.
What I want to do for you guys, I want to do a notification shout out at the end of another video, which probably is not the next one, but the next one. I mean, you guys have to watch every video to know the shout outs. Alright, what I want you guys to comment down below, notification Chase, and if you comment down below on this video within the hour of this video post, I will give you a personal shout out. Well, not me, because if me supposed to read your names, I'll fail. Daniel will give you. Daniel will give you. And yeah, we want to give everybody, want to share everybody
within the first hour.
Yeah, so I need you guys to comment down below. Hashtag notification Chase down below right now. If you want to be a part of the shout out team right now, go ahead and comment down below and make sure you're subscribed and you have your notifications, because that's the only way you're gonna get it, because we can tell who is subscribed. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is go change off, and yeah, you're gonna see us in like a couple seconds here. Not really, because we might take a nap and thing. And yeah, and show you guys later. And I know you guys want to see the dogs. Maybe we take the dogs to the park. Maybe we never know.
When that sun's down.
Yeah, when the sun's down and the rain come out.
Oh my god. Anyway.
Alright, take you guys a little later. As you can see, Chase is about to eat right now, guys. He's actually eating some oats and berry, and yeah.
Guys, this is my own concoction. So I've been blending like banana with the oatmeal, and then some days I put blueberries with the oatmeal. Well,
this is a mixed around.
This is the first time
he's eating the blueberry. As you can see, I think he is enjoying it and looking at Daddy.
And guys, let me tell them a secret recipe.
Well,
it's not a secret if I tell you, but
that's very smart of you.
Okay, so and then I put a little bit of cinnamon. So cinnamon, baby oatmeal, and blueberries, and then I blend it all together in the baby bullet.
Yeah. And yeah, he likes all of them. I think he likes the banana one too.
Yeah, he likes the banana one.
Yeah, he likes it when it's mixture. He doesn't like oats by itself, guys.
Yes, he does.
Not really.
Yes, he loves it.
He loves oats?
Yeah.
Because the first time, I think it's a brand. I think it was a brand of oats.
The first brand wasn't so good. So we have that, the Gerber, or the Gerber Organics wasn't so good. And then I got this other one. I got this other brand, Nature's Made.
He loves it.
I'm gonna link them below, guys.
As you can see, I had to bend down because my knees are kind of rocky right now. Because, you know, I'm kind of reaching the old man stage. As you can see, Chase is still looking at me.
Guys, we're starving.
Drew's keeping us starvation right now, guys.
He's keeping us starving.
We're starving. We need justice. Drew went to go pick up the food from mommy, and yeah, we actually woke up like about an hour and a half ago. Well, I didn't really take a nap. I was editing, and Daniel.
I didn't take a nap because I never get that.
Daniel went to go take a nice shower, by the way.
Yeah,
she took a very long shower. She did wash her hair and all that stuff.
Wash my hair.
Yeah, cause today was really sweaty. Like it was really hot and sweaty, and for that reason, we were kind of drained too. I was like trying to take it easy and relaxing, cause you know. You can't go 100, 200 too much. No, that make no sense, but
like,
we keep that.
It was so hot that as soon as Chase went in his car seat, when we were leaving, he knocked out and he was like sweating bullets. And then when he come home, he knocked out for a couple minutes and then knocked out again. Like when he hit that second nap, he was gone. As soon as he came home, I gave him a bath, and I think that was like
cause his nap sketch, as you can see. Somebody has invaded our space. Yeah.
That's
mama.
That's my dog.
This is Daniel's dog, by the way, guys. This is Ashley, beautiful Ashley. I love you so much. I love you. I love you.
But she's probably just making me jealous.
Yeah, and here comes Snowy because she's the jelly. If you guys don't know, Snow protects me like crazy. Like if anybody come close, Snow will just go for them, you know. Me just say, Snow, go for that. Oh, you guys are pushing me over. Look at it. All right.
Chase is like grabbing the plate because I think he really likes this one.
Yeah, as you can see, these dogs are on top of me right now. And yeah, this is beautiful Snow right here. This is Snowy. Sit. Who wants a cookie? Who wants a cookie? Cookie? Cookie, let's go get a cookie. 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 Look. Let's go get a cookie. We got cookies. We got cookies. You gotta sit. Come out. Let's get out of the kitchen. Sit. Sit. Look, as you can see, both of them right here. Sit. No, you gotta sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. You just bite off the whole of my hand them. Thank you. And just gone left me. And they're enjoying their snacks. Back to you guys. After I was bombarded by dogs.
Bombarded or bombarded?
Bombarded.
Guys, but let me tell you about that coconut water that we had.
Yo, surprisingly, Chase loved it. Like he literally loved it.
He's trying to hold it to get more.
Yeah, and he kept looking on it, and every time you drink from him, just smile like nice. He loved coconut water.
It was so hot. And the coconut water was like ice cold. Yeah. And I think he just loved
it. And it was really cold because what the guy did was take it out of the fridge because he has regular ones that are out there and they're hot.
He actually added like the jelly like separate.
Yeah.
But I was going to get that, but then I'm like, no, I need something like I need the coconut water.
Yeah, it was so good, guys. I'm not lying to you. And it was cheap. It was really cheap.
Yeah, it was like $2.
$2.50.
And it was really good. I think I would go there just for a coconut.
I would just drop by there, just drop off Daniel, go get it real quick, and me and Chase stay in our car while
I must go get it.
I mean, that's if you want to drive. Me not too trust the driving skills.
The next thing is they had Ethiopian food.
Yo,
everybody was getting it, but we ate already by the time we saw it, and it was like damn, because everybody was getting it.
Yeah, and the food that we got, guys, I'm not lying to you, it was
so good,
fire, and it was like breakfast type of food.
I got regular.
Let me hold your hand. I hold your hand. Okay. Yum. Yeah, but the food over there, guys, it's so good. You guys should check it out. It's called Yellow
Green Farmers Market.
Yellow Green Farmers Market.
And the coffee place was really good too.
Yeah, and that coffee we get every time we go there, we get the coffee from there because it tastes so good and fresh.
And I got actually a coconut cold brew, so they have like a lot of different flavors. But farmers markets are really good.
It's really good.
It's so fresh.
And yeah, we enjoyed it today.
Even Chad's drink that I couldn't have.
Yeah, we had a mojito. I don't know if I'll show you guys, but Daniel was like looking at it and
I was so sad.
Eyeing me the whole time.
It was like, it just looked so fresh and so nice.
What I did notice in that place, they don't use plastic straws.
Which is good.
They use the recycled cardboard straws, which is cool.
But they
serve out of plastic cups, which is kind of weird.
No, but those straws also just break.
Yeah, and they were really bad because I broke like a couple of them, and the guy was like, "Oh my god, like you gonna break another one?" Cause you know, my hand too tough. Guys, we're gonna catch up with you guys when we finally get our dinner because you know we're starving and yeah, we're hungry, we're dying right now. Drew says he's on the way, we're gonna wait for him. We love you, Drew. If you're watching this, please hurry up, we're dying.
We're starving.
We're starving. Alright guys, we'll catch up with you guys soon. Guys, it is finally here and we're not dying right now. Look at that. Oh god, I know you guys want some. See the dumpling I eat here. So Daniel has banana. I really want more dumpling than banana and she has some yam right here. So and you can't see the dumpling because she just eat it already.
I did not eat it.
And you can see Chase is right here looking at Ashley. Chase is looking at Ashley like a madman, not you? You looking at Ashley? Okay. We are going to taste it just in front of your eyes, so I know you guys are going to be feeling hurt right now. Look at this lovely curry.
Guys,
hashtag
we're eating curry again.
Yeah, curry is the best. Hashtag curry is the best. Nice and moist. It's moisty. I know I'm going to say moisty just for you know, because you guys don't like that word. I'm going to say it again. Moisty. Alright guys, we're gonna head off right here guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Smash the like button. Remember, comment down below, hashtag Chase, notification Chase.
Notification Chase.
And we're gonna do a shout out for the next video. So it's like a whole segment, just an hour. And yeah, we're gonna do a video. And we're gonna do the shout out at the end, so you'd have to watch a whole video of the next video when it drops. Alright guys, thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough because we really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Subscribe, share this video with somebody, share this with a family member or somebody, you know, just go
and don't forget to hit the bell.
Oh, also the winner of the giveaway, we are going to announce that on Sunday. We are going to announce that on Sunday coming, okay? So make sure you're ready. If you guys don't know about the giveaway, go watch the video with Baby Chase Eats Caribbean Fruits.
I'm gonna link it.
Yeah, we're gonna link it up here, right up here. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. We really appreciate it. And we are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to
Tracy Narang.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over here. Second notification shout out goes to
Vish Singh.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over here. Third and final notification shout out goes to
Tasania Slater.
Big up on the damn self. Thank you guys for your love and support. You're gonna go right over here. If you want to be a part of the notification and the big shout out team, that's what's coming very shortly. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell. Comment down below. Notification Chase, notification boom bang bang, notification notification notification
Really?
Alright, may I talk too much. And make sure you like this video and also have on your notifications. That's the only way you're gonna get the notifications. And thank you guys.
We love you.
Thank you so much.
You're the best.
And remember, in life you're gonna have challenges and you just have to overcome it. Okay? Peace. Love you guys.